Hello everyone, myself Razi Maurya. Here I am going to explain the question paper of class 8 of subject mathematics. So just try to understand whatever I say. Here you have to read the question carefully and each question carry equal marks. Your question paper is divided into three parts. That is, the first is optional question, the second is very short type question, the third is short type question, and the last is long type question. In the first there is MCQ type question and they are in the number of 5. The first question is which of the following into. Here you have to find out the right option out of these four. So as you know about this, the question are belongs from the topic of integer. So the first question is minus 7 is greater than 3. So you have to know which is greater and which is smaller. In the second, 1 minus 7 is less than mod of 1 minus 3. As the question is misprinted, this should be this mod of 1 minus 3. Okay, this is not here. So 1 minus 7 is less than mod of 1 minus 3. The next is this should be, this will be not here. So 1 minus 7 is greater than mod of 1 minus 3, and the D is 3 is greater than, sorry, 3 is less than minus 7. The next is if A is any integer, which of the following is always true? Mod of A is equal to A, mod of A is less than A, both A are same, but here only the font is changed. Both this and this both are same, so don't be confused. In the next C option, mod of A is greater than A, and the D, mod of A is greater or equal to A. Okay, so you have to choose the right answer. The next is divide 2 by 3 by 2. Here the question is, let me write, the question is minus 2 by 3 and minus 4 by 3. Okay, both are the negative rational number. Minus 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 3, and express the answer, not impress. Express express the answer in lowest term. Okay, express the answer in lowest term, not term. The next is for any rational number A. The next is A is equal to 0. Sorry, this will be minus A is equal to A. A is equal to A minus A is equal to A, or minus minus A is equal to minus A. Okay, so these are four options. You have to choose the correct. The next is in one bracket A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is an example of closure property, associative property, identity property, distributive property. So you have to choose the right answer. The next is fill in the blanks. The first is 3 by 4 is divided by 5 by 9 is equal to 5 by 9 is divided over 3 by 4. So you have to insert the symbol of greater than or smaller than or equal. Okay, you have to choose out of any symbol from these three. Similarly, the next 5 by 9 is multiplied by minus 6 by 3 is equal to dash multiplied by 5 by 9. If you know about the properties of rational number, that you know, that is the closure property, commutative property, associative property, distributive property, then you can easily find out the solution. The next is 14 by 30 is multiplied is sorry 14 by 30 plus dash is equal to 0. So you have to find out which number should be added in 14 by 30 to get 0. The next is minus 2 by 9 is equal to dash by 63. So you have to find out the equivalent fraction, equivalent rational number of minus 2 by 9. In the next, the given is 4 by minus 5, 7 minus 7 by 10. You have to insert the symbol of greater than, smaller than, or equal. Similarly, you have to insert the symbol of greater than, smaller than, and equal. Okay, so I hope the fill in the blanks is clear to everyone. The next question, let's see the next question. The next question is for true and false, so you have to choose the correct statement and decide your assertion. The first is the absolute value of 0 is 0, that is mod of 0. You have to find out mod of 0. What is the absolute value, that is the mod of 0 is 0 or not. The next is absolute value of a rational number is either positive or 0, not position. This is the positive. Okay students, so you have to learn it. You have to know that this is not written as position, this is the positive. Positive, this should be positive. positive, positive or 0. Okay, the next is minus a is equal to minus a. You have to choose this is true or false. In the next, o, this is not o, this is 0. 0 in o is 0 is only the rational number. What is the meaning of this? This question is, that is 0 is neither positive nor negative rational number. Okay, so first of all you have to justify that 0 is rational number or not in the simple way. The next is the product of any rational number and 0 is 0, not in, is 0. Product of any rational number and 0 is 0. The next is very short answer type question. Write the additive inverse of the following. Okay. The next is find the rational number between 2 and 3. The next is solve 4x plus 3 is equal to 13. This is the linear equation and you have to find out the value of x. The next is represent 3 by 4 on the number line. This is not correct statement. On the number line, you have to know only this. You have to represent the number 3 by 4 on number line only. Number line. The next is which number is greater. Here two rational number is given, minus 3 by 7 and 3 by 7, and you have to choose which rational number is greater. The next question is long answer type question. Express in the standard form. Standard form means you have to write down the given fraction in the lowest form. The second is find the value of. Okay, so what will be the value of these fraction? In the first is modulus value of 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3. In the second, modulus value of minus 1 upon 4 multiplied by 8 by 13. This is upon. Don't think that this is misprint. This is 1 by 4. The next is simplify. Here you have to find the product of 7 by 9 multiplied by 16 by minus 14 multiplied by 36 by 21. The next is verify a plus b is equal to b plus a, making by taking a is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to 3 by 5. Since this is the commutative property, so you have to either check that the given rational number a is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to 3 by 5 are satisfy commutative property. You have to substitute a is equal to 2 by 3 and b is equal to 3 by 5 in place of a and b. The next is simplify. Here you have to find out the product 11 by 5 multiplied by 9 by 22 multiplied by 10 by minus 10 by 9, and the next is multiplied by minus 1 by 5. So student, I hope everything is clear. So I wish you best of luck for your examination. Thank you very much for watching this.